We begin by installing the NexVault app from the Shopify App Store. Click Install App to proceed. NexVault requests access to files, products, and themes in order to analyze and manage store media efficiently. Click Install to continue. After installation, the app redirects to the pricing page. Here, the merchant selects a plan. A free trial is available before billing begins. Click Approve Subscription to accept the selected plan and activate the app. Once the charge is approved, the app completes installation and redirects to the main dashboard. This is the NexVault dashboard. It provides an overview of total storage usage, including images, videos, and other files. From the menu, navigate to the Files section. The File Explorer displays all indexed store files, including metadata such as file size, type, and usage. Each file includes available actions such as preview, restore, move to trash, or permanent deletion. Next, navigate to the compression page. Here, users can compress images to reduce file size while maintaining visual quality. Upload or select files to compress. The system processes the files and shows the amount of storage saved. Navigate to the Cleanup section. NexVault automatically identifies unused and duplicate files that can be safely removed. Files can be moved to trash for safe removal. The trash system ensures files can be restored before permanent deletion. NexVault helps merchants optimize storage, improve performance, and maintain a clean file system. This concludes the app walkthrough.